Okay, so I wanted to take some time to review a trade for a 20 tick play. In this trade, I noticed a breakout and immediately bearish push, waited for it to tick in that area and like it stalled out and started absorbing. So I'm going to go ahead and press play. It's running at about 16 times speed. You see, the moment I got in here, we immediately had a push up, and then price starts to try to push down within 2 ticks and immediately reacts back to it, pushes back up. You see we have a negative total over here, so the bear pressure is strong, but it's starting to reverse. As you see, the bulls are pushing in right here. The sellers start to give up here, and right around 1.276, right in here, we pay attention to this point. 276 right here, 1.276. We pay attention to this point here. So as price starts to increase, and you see the bearish pressure is strong right here. As we were watching this, it was going a lot slower, but I went ahead and moved my stop to protect the point right here, right? So we get price go ahead and push up, and then it comes back to that 1.276. and it tries to sell hard. You see the sell orders right here to print it, and it just absorbs it. The bulls immediately come right back in, take over. Price does not go below this point here. So I had my stop to protect for 5 ticks at least, and then you see it immediately started pushing back up, and that's what we wanted. I could have at least moved my stop up a little bit more at that point and let the trade continue to play out. And you see it went ahead and closed out right there. Stalled for a second, had some more absorbing. You see at this point it's starting to reverse, so it's a good point to go ahead and find a point to close out like that.